First, let's test the sanding effect. Put the phone into the corresponding mode. Put into the automatic dispensing machine for waterproof sealing. Note that the receiver needs extra glue. After sealing and waterproofing, take out the phone and put it in the UV curing bags for glue curing. Time to remove and reserve. Pour 1 to 10 special polishing powder and purified water into the tank and stir well. Remove baffle. Place the polishing liquid into the case as shown in the video. Cover with the baffle. Load the product to be polished into the grinding tool. Parameters set and start according to squirt depth. Then wait for the polishing process to finish. Polishing time is up. Prepare to remove product for cleaning. A simple wipe can already see the effect is very good. Now let's carry out a product cleaning and effect test. First, remove the sealant. Use the suction cup to remove the foam. Alcohol surface stain cleaning. The screen has taken on a new look. Continue spraying fingerprint oil. Clean later with the TPK 530 to remove excess oil stains. Dripping test, smooth without residue. Next, test the laminated tempered film. It fits perfectly like a factory